So good morning, good Tuesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're here this morning at the Newark offices and our EuropaProperty.com headquarters and our super office studio. So we're here today with Winston Norman, editor-in-chief of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome, Winston.
Good morning, Craig.
And let's just jump right into the news and let us know what interesting things are happening.
Yeah, there's a lot of interesting news on the site today, and again we're focusing on the logistics market quite a lot.
Mm-hmm.
An interesting investment deal to begin with, TRITAX EUROBOX out of London.
Oh, there's a new name I hadn't heard of.
Yeah, it's new to me as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they a year ago they bought a property in Łódź, a warehouse property in Łódź, and they've recently sold it to Savills Investment Management for 65.5 million euros.
Okay.
And that's a 15% rise on the sale price.
Okay, so they're very happy, I'm sure.
They made a good profit on that one, and Nick Preston, the fund manager for TRITAX EUROBOX, he wants to. They've sold this to recycle the capital into high yielding investment opportunities. And he quotes or cites the German market as somewhere that they're really interested in, so they want to take the money and put it into Germany.
All right, so pulling it out of Poland and Central Europe, putting it into Germany. Okay.
Yeah,
great.
he says like Germany is a very robust and influential market at the moment, so he wants to go and put his money there.
All
and he also says that as we've noticed, online retailing has exploded in the last year, and investors are very, very interested in the logistics warehouse market at the moment.
Right. Yeah. Well, as we see almost every day. Well, good. Okay. Well, it sounds like Łódź was actually pretty good for them.
Yeah.
For an investment place. So interesting. All right.
Yeah, and continuing on the logistics theme, we've GLP, who entered the market last year, the Polish market. They're developing a new 37,000 square meter development in Upper Silesia.
Okay.
And they've got CFE. Our friends, Bruno Lambrecht.
Oh, okay. CFE's building it, yeah?
Yeah, they're the general contractor, and Bruno says that he's really happy to be working with GLP again. This is the second project that they're doing together, and they're what he quotes as saying is that this development is got great green credentials, so it's going to be BREEAM certified.
All right, great.
They're looking forward to developing this sustainable development.
Well, yeah, it looks like CFE's doing a lot of warehouses these days and shopping centers.
Yeah,
they've warehouses and
they've got a
manufacturing
sustainability kind of agenda called We Go Green.
Okay.
Yeah, then moving on, we've got a report from a European real estate credit outlook report. Okay. And which is saying that the credit outlook for Europe as a whole, looks stable.
Oh, okay.
The main worries or the main fallouts from the pandemic is the retail sector.
Sure.
The UK market and secondary cities.
Okay. So that's what to watch out for, or where they're going to have a hard time getting credit, I bet.
Yeah, and they're the weak spots.
Well, I was surprised to hear the UK is one of the weak spots.
Yeah, I am surprised at that as well. And the good points are commercialization of the digital sector. And data centers as well. These are the ones. These are sectors that are growing. And according to Philipp Wass, he's an analyst at SCOPE Ratings. This is this German ratings agency. He said, worryingly, or not such good news. He says that the worst of the pandemic or the fallout from the pandemic could be in front of us.
Right. Well, I think a lot of people are saying that, right? That if the pandemic's ending, the financial crisis is now coming, or if it's not already here in some.
Yeah, the uncertainty on the market is a worry, and I think people don't really know how it looks, but for some sectors it doesn't look good. Right.
Okay.
And finally today we've got some news from Romania. A lot of news coming out of Romania lately.
Yeah, it seems like that.
Yeah, it does. Yeah. And this is from Speedwell. They're an office developer from Belgium, but developing in Romania as well. And they've just entered an agreement with the bank Erste Group.
Oh, okay.
And they've managed to get financing for their office development down there.
Right, they have a big project there for sure.
Yeah, it's called Miro.
Okay.
Yeah, and they started building that last July. It's 65% leased already.
Wow. Okay.
And they got a loan of 27 million euros for this project. And the CEO and founder of Speedwell, Didier Balcaen,
who we know from the SE Awards.
We know from the SE Awards, and like I was saying, it's 65% leased already. And he's saying that the great success of this development is because the great partners that they're finding in Romania that are teaming up with them, and helping their development process go more smoothly.
All right, great. Well, I mean, it's we were just saying what Romania yesterday doubled or almost doubled in investment. So here's some more investment investment project in the pipeline.
Interesting on that, and it was like from that report, they said that the investment is not through stressed assets. It's from good product, good assets, and people are making money. So
so Romania is one of the places to be.
Seems to be,
Central Eastern Europe. Great.
Yeah.
Anything else on the website we should jump into today, or?
I think that's the main news. There's lots of new hires in our human resources section. We've got new hires at 7R, logistics development company, Golden Star Investment Group. They've got a new leasing manager for one of their offices in Warsaw.
Oh, great!
And P3, big logistics developer that we know very well. They've got a new CEO.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay.
So all that information can be found on our website.
Oh, great. Okay, so interesting. A lot of people on the move. A lot of things happening on the
in the logistics and warehouse sector. There's lots of movement, lots of good news in that one. So for all the latest news throughout the day, go to EuropaProperty.com.
Great. Well, subscribe to our EuropaProperty.com website and find out what's going on the news and just following where everybody's going these days, I think. So, well, great, Winston. Thanks very much. To everyone else, we're building our. We've got 2 more weeks now for our retail awards and marketplace. So sign up as soon as you can for that. That's going extremely well. And what I've noticed over the last week is now that retail's actually open, that's really kind of bringing some life back to the sector.
Yeah, I was there just on Monday, and the queues in Złoty in central Warsaw were immense. I was taken back.
Yeah, people want to start spending money.
Unwanted Christmas gifts.
Were you buying some exciting things?
No, I was exchanging. But the queues were huge, so
Well, that makes you want to keep them then.
Yeah, hopefully I'll grow into them or shrink.
All right. Well, we have one special guest today, which we'll put on the next show, which is Anya Kush, who is a European famous yoga instructor and champion, and she'll be talking a little bit about our 1-minute yoga, which we have exclusively on our show. It takes about 5 minutes, but 1-minute yoga. So stay tuned for the 1-minute yoga show. She'll show you how to stretch
1
things
minute's
out.
about enough for me.
Yeah.
1 minute a day exercise, I can deal with that.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. So everyone enjoy the rest of the day, and we'll see you tomorrow on the Coffee with Craig show.